Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Makartt Nail YouTube tutorial channel. I'm Des and I'll be your host today. It's been a while since we've uploaded a long video. However, a recent survey showed that a lot of you indicated that that's exactly what you wanted, longer DIY nail tutorials. And so, because your feedback means so much to us, here we are with one of those longer DIY tutorials. Hope you enjoy. Whether going out in the cold or staying inside to be warm and cozy, join us on today's DIY sweater and scarf set. These are the products we'll be using in today's video. Check below for all product links and details. Today's spotlight products: Makartt Rhinestone Glue and Polygel in the color Cheer Up. I hope you enjoyed today's DIY tutorial video. We'll be releasing more videos like this gradually. It'll have styles anywhere from beginner friendly to some of the top trends that you see on celebrities today. But before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.